What's really going on, everybody? All you PEZ collecting fans out there. This is Josh, the PEZ guy, with, here's a response to you. A lot of people have been saying, hey Josh, can you do something older? Can we go with some no feet, some metal pin? Yes, we can. And why not start with a bunch of chicks? Just two chicks. But they're different. So two chicks walk into a bar. One is from Austria, and the other one has a DBP patent number, 818829. I've memorized that one. But as far as Austria goes, when I hit 26, 34, or 39 for that matter, I just stop. It's what I do. Yeah. But this one, for some reason, I have memorized. 818829. No IMC, but if you look, the non-shadowed lettering. And here you can see the shadowed lettering. So in the background, it makes it look more three-dimensional. Where this one is 3D. I like the DBP way better. If we look at the differences in the eggs, you can see the difference here and there. Very slight differences. Then we'll slide them over here. And you can see on the fronts, especially in this dip here, right there. Sorry, I almost poked your eye out. Hopefully you weren't looking too closely. On this side, you can see there's a lot more pieces going up, more points, if you will, than over here. On the green one here, they did the non-shadowed lettering, but with shadowed lettering. You can see the spring through it. That one's pretty cool. And here we see some common damage. When two chicks get together, they always seem to fight. But back here, there is a melt on the egg. Some form of chemical thing with plastic. A creepy crawler will do that. Sometimes rubber bands, sometimes other PEZ dispensers. So look out for that. And here we see some more of the non-shadowed lettering. Very cool looking dispensers. Also, there are holes in the eyes. These are the variations that have the hat, of course. You can see the holes in the eyes. There you go. Two chicks, one time. So until next time.